liquid? Do you like anything?
Just like an iced coffee, that would be good.
For sure. Ninja, how about yourself?
Nothing, please.
Nothing?
Thank you.
3 iced coffees.
Have you seen the video of the raccoon that takes the dog food and goes, he runs over like this and he's going, I'm going to take a little bit of your food. Don't be scared.
T-minus 2 hours till campers arrive. Boom. Let's do it. All right, hold on.
I have fake.
Boggle, will you please pull? Will you bring your shoe up here to show us what a true? What is it?
I have fake.
This is what a normal shoe looks like.
Dare to be different.
I don't even know how you do.
Hey guys, Boggle here again, and today all of our kids are finally showing up. Russian author Fyodor Dostoevsky once said that the soul is healed by bringing children into the picture. And that's exactly what's happening here. Because not only are we there for them, but they're for us. And as you can tell, yesterday I thought cheese was the most important thing in life, and now there's kids here, and it's Boggle. It's gonna be great.
Tell me about camp. Tell me about camp.
It's awesome!
It's awesome?
Yeah.
You guys excited to be here?
Yeah.
I'm excited you guys are here.
It's the only thing I want to do this summer.
That's the only thing you want to do? Me too.
My name is Sprinkles, and a camper just asked me if I was named that because I peed on myself.
That's how you check in 80+ campers. That was weird.
Boom. Successfully moved kids in. Not my responsibility. Technically, her responsibility.
Hello parents, it's good to see you guys.
Noodle, do something cool. Oh, you guys looking good. Yeah, let's talk about your haircut.
Hey Dirtbike, do something fun for the video.
What?
Just anything, man. Just go out.
Like, what's your favorite dance move?
Alright. Oh! Show me what you got. Whoa! My goodness. Alright, you saved some of that. Whoa!
Wow.
Oh my goodness, Rio. Did you just see what I just saw?
I saw what you saw. That was
You saw what I
sick.
saw? Because a kid was spinning on his head. Oh no! Alright, so what just happened? Bye, Java. What you just witnessed was, dark, was free select commercials. Now, what does that mean? Every day, the campers get to decide what they want to do during free select hours the following day. But in order for them to know what activities there are, counselors get to perform their interpretation of whatever activity they're doing. So today we had Gaga ball, kickball. We had cape making, superhero cape making. We had
No, get out of here.
Slope, do you think you have a problem?
I don't think I have anything I need to admit to.
I think it's perfectly manageable. I don't think that.
What number of marshmallows is this again?
6.
Ramen, tell us about your first day of camp.
It was fun. We made s'mores and we did a fun scavenger hunt. And we sang songs and we played games and we went through the forest.
We will eventually.
And stuff.
So true. All of this and more. What was your favorite part? Was that your favorite part?
No.
And that brings us to a conclusion of day 2. I hope you're enjoying these as much as I am making them, and I hope the dance parties in your life are as fun as ours. Alright, you ready? Alright, say it loud, ready?
And that's how you check in 80+ campers.
And do a sign off, like my name as well.
Yes, it is. That teacher just told us.
And that's when the credits roll. It's gonna be awesome.